Hey there, welcome to the world of cloud computing. Whether you're just dipping your toes into the tech pool or you've been hearing about the cloud and are curious about what it actually means, you've come to the right place. Picture this: a magical space where all your data, apps, and even entire businesses can live without those clunky hard drives or giant computers. Sounds pretty cool, right? Let's dive into what cloud computing is, why it's such a big deal, and how it's quietly changing the way we live and work. So, what's all this buzz about the cloud? No, it's not that fluffy stuff in the sky. Think of cloud computing like a massive virtual warehouse where you can stash your files, run your apps, and even power entire businesses, all through the internet. Instead of buying and maintaining big, expensive servers, companies, and even regular folks like us rent out space in this giant warehouse from providers like Amazon Web Services, AWS, Google Cloud, and Microsoft Azure. Consider how you stream your favorite shows on Netflix, store your photos on Google Photos, or work on a document with your friends using Google Docs. Yep, that's all happening thanks to the cloud. It's not just super convenient, it's a game changer. The cloud gives businesses the flexibility to scale up or down quickly, and it lets us access our stuff from anywhere in the world without the worry of running out of space on our devices. Every time you back up a photo, send an email, or use an app that doesn't gobble up all your phone's storage, you're tapping into cloud computing. It's everywhere, quietly making our lives easier and more connected without us even noticing. So next time you save something to the cloud, you'll have a good idea of what's going on behind the scenes. 2024 is shaping up to be an exciting year in the cloud computing world. Even if you're new to this tech stuff, don't worry, we're here to break it down for you. Imagine the cloud as a magical storage room where everything you need is just a click away. Let's explore the 5 hottest trends in this cloud wonderland that you really need to know about this year. Ever wish your apps could predict what you want, almost like they're reading your mind? Well, thanks to AI, artificial intelligence, and ML, machine learning, that's practically what's happening. In 2024, cloud services are getting smarter, learning from your habits to make things like shopping, gaming, and even medical checkups faster and more personalized. It's like having your very own super smart assistant who might just know you better than you know yourself. Think of cloud providers like Amazon, Google, and Microsoft as different shops. This year, businesses aren't sticking to just one, they're shopping around. This mix and match approach, known as a MultiCloud Strategy, lets companies cherry-pick the best features and prices from each provider. If one shop is out of what they need, they can just hop over to the next one. Smart, right? Imagine watching a movie without any annoying buffering. Edge computing makes that possible by keeping your data closer to where you are. It's like having a mini cloud right in your neighborhood, making everything faster. In 2024, this tech is speeding up everything from smart home gadgets to self-driving cars, making them quicker and more reliable. Developers, rejoice! Serverless computing is here to make your lives a whole lot easier. Instead of dealing with all the technical stuff, like managing servers, developers can now focus on what they love, creating awesome apps. Think of it like throwing a party where someone else handles all the cleanup. You just get to enjoy the fun. The cloud is getting eco-friendly. In 2024, cloud providers are stepping up their game by using renewable energy and eco-friendly data centers. This means that while you're storing your photos or streaming your favorite show, you're also helping save the planet. Pretty cool, right? Attention, small business owners. Cloud computing isn't just for the big tech companies, it's your secret weapon too. Imagine being able to run your entire business from your laptop without the need for expensive servers or a big IT team. That's the power of the cloud, and it's changing the way small businesses operate, making it easier, cheaper, and more efficient. In the past, only big companies could afford fancy tech setups, but now, cloud computing is giving small businesses access to the same powerful tools without the hefty price tag. Whether you're managing customer data, running an online store, or collaborating with remote teams, the cloud makes it all possible and affordable. Take a bakery that's using cloud software to manage orders and inventory online. No more scribbling on notepads. Everything's streamlined and easy to track. Or imagine a startup using cloud-based customer service tools to interact with clients across the globe, all from a tiny office or even a coffee shop. These are just a few examples of how small businesses are thriving with cloud computing. The cloud allows small businesses to be flexible and responsive. Need more storage? Add it with a click. Want to launch a new product? Do it online with cloud-based tools. The cloud grows with your business, so you can focus on what you do best, serving your customers. As amazing as cloud computing is, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. Just like any powerful tool, there are risks involved. But don't worry, knowing about these risks means you can take steps to protect yourself and your business. One of the biggest fears with cloud computing is the potential for data breaches. Imagine storing all your important information in the cloud, only for a hacker to swoop in and steal it. Scary, right? While cloud providers invest heavily in security, it's still crucial to be vigilant. Using strong passwords, enabling two-factor authentication, and regularly updating your software are key steps in keeping your data safe. When you store your data in the cloud, you're trusting a third party to keep it safe. This can feel a bit unsettling, especially if that data is sensitive. Always read the fine print and know what your cloud provider's policies are regarding data ownership and access. What happens if your cloud provider goes down? Just like any service, the cloud isn't immune to outages. If a major provider experiences a technical issue, it could temporarily knock out your business operations. That's why it's important to have a backup plan, just in case. While these risks are real, they're manageable with the right precautions. The benefits of cloud computing often outweigh the risks, especially if you stay informed and proactive about protecting your data. So, what's next for cloud computing? As we look toward 2025, the future of the cloud looks brighter and more exciting than ever. Let's take a peek into the crystal ball and see what's on the horizon. AI is going to be even more integrated into cloud services, making them smarter and more intuitive. Imagine cloud-based AI that not only responds to your needs, but predicts them before you even know what you want. From personalized shopping experiences to fully automated customer service, AI in the cloud will be everywhere. As more people and businesses move to the cloud, expect services to become more personalized and secure. Providers will offer tailor-made solutions for different industries, from healthcare to finance, with enhanced security features that make cloud computing safer than ever before. Quantum computing is on the horizon, promising to make current cloud technologies look like calculators compared to supercomputers. This new type of computing could solve problems that are currently impossible, opening up new possibilities for everything from drug discovery to financial modeling. Finally, expect the cloud to be more pervasive than ever. It will be integrated into everything from your home devices to your car, making everyday life more connected and convenient. The line between physical and digital worlds will blur even more, with the cloud at the center of it all. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to cloud computing, from the basics to what's coming next. Whether you're just getting started or looking to stay ahead of the curve, understanding the cloud is key to navigating the digital world. So, what are you waiting for? Dive into the cloud and see where it can take you.